If you're considering smart sites for your landing page needs, there are 12 key things you need to know before making a decision, and a few of these might surprise you. Stick around, and by the end, you'll know if it's the right fit or if there's a better alternative you should try. First up, SmartSites offers robust features like custom design and marketing integrations, making it great for businesses looking for a tailored approach. However, this customization comes with higher costs compared to more straightforward landing page tools like Lead Pages or Unbounce. Next thing, while SmartSites handles design and optimization for you, it lacks the DIY flexibility many smaller businesses prefer. Tools like ClickFunnels, for example, let you tweak designs on the fly without waiting for support. Third, SmartSites is ideal for companies needing full-service digital marketing, including SEO and PPC. But if you only need a simple landing page builder, you might find this platform overkill. Cheaper, focused options like Instapage might work better in that case. The fourth thing to note is their excellent customer support. SmartSites has a hands-on team that's praised for responsiveness. That said, competitors like HubSpot also provide 24/7 support, but with more detailed resources for those who prefer self-service help. Fifth, SmartSites is best for medium to large businesses that can afford premium pricing. Small businesses or startups on a tight budget might find solutions like Wix or Squarespace more appealing. Next, while SmartSites offers impressive analytics to track performance, some competitors, like ConvertKit, provide more accessible dashboards for beginners to interpret data quickly. Seventh, if scalability is your priority, SmartSites can handle complex campaigns and scaling efforts. However, platforms like Webflow can also scale with a more intuitive design experience. The eighth thing to consider is ease of use. SmartSites excels in providing done-for-you services, but you'll need to rely on their team for changes. In contrast, other platforms give you more independence for small tweaks and adjustments. Ninth, SmartSites integrates well with tools like Google Ads and analytics platforms, but some competitors have broader third-party app integrations. For example, Carter combines landing pages, CRM, and email marketing in one. 10th, their SEO expertise sets them apart from traditional landing page builders. However, if you're just starting out, you might not need this level of SEO sophistication. An all-in-one platform like Builderall might better suit your needs. Next, keep in mind that SmartSites focuses heavily on service, so turnaround times depend on their team's workload. DIY platforms like GetResponse or Elementor let you launch pages almost instantly. Finally, while SmartSites delivers professional-grade results, it's a long-term investment. If you're looking for something more accessible, our recommended alternative offers a simpler setup, powerful tools, and a free trial to test it out risk-free. SmartSites is a solid choice for businesses with bigger budgets and a need for full-service support. But if you want a more affordable, flexible option you can try today, check out our top recommendation linked below.